Okay, we are here in Scratch. And please, can you go to the Scratch library and here choose a sprite kit and you get a pencil and a magic wand. So now what we want that make we're gonna make a button. Okay, let's choose a button. Bottom, this one. Okay, now let's get when flag clicked, and then let's go to looks and let's get what in set signs to 100, but let's put it into 50. Okay, now when we click the flag, it puts more little. Okay, let's put it over there and let's go to costumes. Let's delete this one. And now let's put it into color red. Wait, red. Here, red. And then let's duplicate it and let's put it right over here. Okay, and now let's name this red, and then let's name this orange, orange, and wait, orange, and we're gonna put this in orange there, and then let's duplicate this and let's put this into yellow. Then let's put this into yellow there, and let's put it down here, right over here, there. Okay, wait, I need to put it right over here. Okay, and now let's duplicate this. Let's move it down and let's put it right over here. This is green. And let's put this green there. Duplicate it right now. Let's put it into blue there. And let's put this down here. Wait, here, okay. And let's duplicate it. And now let's put it right over here. And let's put it here. Indigo. Cool. And let's put it into indigo. Over there, indigo. And now let's duplicate it and let's put it down. And let's put it in. Wait, let me put it over here. And let's put it into violet. Violet. Oh. And now let's put it into violet. There and there. Okay. Now we make all the colors. See you in the next video where we're gonna code the colors and we're gonna put some over here. We're gonna put some, how did I say it? For making more biggest. And so in the next video we're gonna make that white. Let's position this over here. Okay, this over here, this right over here, and this over here, and this over here. Okay, see you in the next video where we're gonna how can I say it, where we're gonna code all these blocks here and the pencil and the green, yellow, orange, and for making it more easy. So see you in the next video. Bye.